So the 90 volt pass through this switch and then through this switch and should also appear here, as you can see. Okay, as you can see here, we have here these points. These points means from here the 19 volts goes to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 7 place in the motherboard. So let's check where this 19 volt goes. So let's see the other side of the motherboard. So as you can see, here we have the adapter. Okay, so let's see. Always we should put the black probe in the ground, as you can see. So let's put it here or even here. Okay, so here this is the back of the power jack. As you can see here, we have this resistance. Okay, this resistor is the current resistor sense. Okay, so let's check. Normally we should find here 90 volt. Let's check. So let's check. As you can see, we have here 19 volts. Do you see also these points? A lot of points here means the 19 volt is distributed from this resistor to the whole motherboard. So let's look for this 19 volt in the whole motherboard. So let's put this probe here, for example. Okay, so here we have the first circuit. This is the CPU. This circuit is for the CPU. So this 19 volt should go here. So let's check this MOSFET. Okay, so the first MOSFET. We don't have here 19 volts. Let's check here, for example. You can just check until you find the 19 volts. Okay, so here we have 19 volts. This is the drain. This MOSFET, we have 19 volts here. These two MOSFETs and this coil and these two ceramic capacitor is the first channel of the CPU. Here we have another channel. Normally we should find 19 volt in one of these two MOSFETs. Let's check, for example, this. As you can see, also this MOSFET holds the 19 volt. This is the first channel and this is the second channel. Okay, of course, in the back of this channel we will find other components. So let's check. Do you see? As I told you, this is the back of the CPU circuit here. So here the first channel, as we said before, and here we have the second channel. Also, for every channel there is two capacitors. If we check this capacitor, nothing here because the laptop motherboard is not yet powered. Okay, so this 19 volt is present in the first terminal of each MOSFET in each channel of the CPU circuit. So also here we will find 19 volts somewhere here. This is another 19 volt for this channel. Here also we have here another 19 volt for this channel. So for each channel we have two MOSFETs here and two MOSFETs in the other side and two capacitors and one coil. For the other channel we have two MOSFETs or four MOSFETs, two capacitors and one coil. And here we have, as you see, 2 PF capacitor for each channel. I can draw for you the circuit diagram of this circuit for this CPU circuit. As you see here, we have the power management for the CPU. Okay, I will draw for you this circuit diagram. So let's draw it right now in order to understand deeply